Hello guys, so welcome back again to our video on tag. See, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for tag monthly salary for life. Yes, the truth is that you have to qualify for it before you can be doing this. So I'm going to show you the qualification and also show you how to apply. I've qualified for this, so I'm going to apply. It's going to be a practical video. Now, first of all, watch this. There are these positions. We'll call this one, the first set I'm going to look at are role positions that comes with role bonus. Now, the first one here will have a junior assistant. If you qualify for a junior assistant, you'll be receiving 40,000 naira every month from tag. The 15th day of every month, you receive 40,000 naira. If you qualify as intermediate assistant, you receive 100k. Junior supervisor, 300k. Intermediate supervisor, 1 million. Marketing manager, 2 million. Sales manager, 7 million. City partner, 25 million naira every single month. Now, there are qualifications. Apart from that, we have what we call, these are other also staff position bonus. It's also salary. This one, if you are at level A4, this one you are not building, it has nothing to do with building of a team. This is where your money is working now. If you are level A4, you receive quarterly bonus of 400,000 naira. A5, 1.8, A6, 4 million, S7, 10 million, S8, 20 million, S9, 50 million. For now, I've not yet seen anybody from S7, but you see all this one up to A6, many people are there already, and this is reality. Now, I've shown you what qualifies you. Now, let me go and show you, the position you're going to be to qualify for this. Now, let me show you how to qualify for this position before I now show you quickly how to enroll for it. Now, go here to see what it takes to qualify for these positions. So I'm on the mine, I click on my page. So I'm going to look at job details. See where they wrote job details. Click on it. I click on it. Now, very simple. I'm going to talk about that, the first part, not the one of your position based on your money. This has to do with team building. This is what I'm going to look at now. And this is where tag pays you monthly salary once you qualify. To qualify as a junior assistant, you must have 10 direct referrals. Tag works with 3 generations. That is, you have your first generation, which is level A referrals. You have second generation, which is level B. Then third generation, which is level C. That's the only thing. So, but you must have up to 10 A generation. That means 10 people that directly sign up with your account. Once you have it, you apply for this junior assistant, you'll be paying 40,000, you'll be paying 40k every single month. You understand that? That's exactly how, since I'm applying, 15th day has already passed, so I'm going to be expecting it by 15th of next month by God's grace. Do you understand? Now, to qualify for mid-level assistant, you must have 20 A-level members. That's 20 persons that must have signed with the account, and you'll be receiving 100k every month. Then junior supervisor, you have 150 ABC. What does that mean? This 150 ABC, that means a combination of your first level, second level, third level generation must, if they are up to 150, you qualify for this 300,000 naira. You understand? That's how this is. So if you join, you take time and go through this. I'm not going to take much time still explaining this, because you have to start from first step before you even think of these other steps. Now, having seen it, I have, as of this moment I'm preparing this video, I've already just got 11 direct referrals. So I'm qualified to apply for the junior assistant. So watch me do the application right now. So what do? I'm going to go here where you have job application. I'm going to click there. Now I click there. Because I know that I qualify for this junior assistant where my basic salary will be 40,000, I'm going to check on that place. I have read and agreed. Then I'm going to submit promotion application. Remember, I'm the one writing this. Once I submit it, It's going to write under review. Once it's reviewed and I've checked it's correct, it will be reviewed and it will mark that it has won, and they are going to send me info. They have qualified. That's how it is. So from next month, I start receiving it. So I'm going to do that right now. I click on submit application. Watch. Request submitted successfully. Please check the processing result later. I say okay. I see your promotion request is under review. Now it's under review, like I said. Target position is junior assistant. Please select the position you want to be promoted to, and I've done that. So it's under review now. So this is exactly how to apply. You can see the qualification and now how to simply apply. Once that happens now and they review it, under this job position here, my position, you're going to see it. Sorry, you have not obtained any position yet. Please submit a job application. You start it. So once you review at that position, they're going to show me that I'm now a junior assistant. I'm no longer going to be just T2 member, not just member. I have now become a part of the management system. And that's fantastic. So for everyone of you listening, I'll just explain this. I know what is going in your mind now. You're asking, how long will it last? I also ask the same question. I'm not telling you that I'm the owner. I'm not telling you I'm not the part of the management. And it's our prayer that this system lasts. Because if it lasts, it's going to make so much sense for us Nigerians. So don't be one of those who use bad mouths. You should be saying, God, please let this last. So that little money you put there can yield something good for you. That is very, very important. So if you are watching this video and you want to join TAG, please look at the link on this video description. Not just the link. You see my WhatsApp number there. Contact me and ask further questions. I will also direct you because there are so many things about TAG you may not know. And part of it, I will guide you very well. Don't just see random numbers and link online and start signing up. Please, let's build a team together. Share this video and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe because we prepare videos like this often. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.